In this demonstration, we're going to look at the three key management reports in Sage 50 accounts. That's the trial balance, the profit and loss, and the balance sheet. These three reports are found within nominal codes. There's an icon for each of these reports on the toolbar. Let's start with the trial balance. We'll preview the report, and we'll just accept the default criteria. If we maximise the preview window, and we can then see more detail of the report itself. As we can see for the trial balance, we've got a nominal code column, a name column, a debit column, and a credit column. If we scroll down the report, you'll see there's a total for the debits and a total for the credits. As the title of the report suggests, these two figures should balance. In the preview window, you've got the usual options at the top, so you can print the report, email it, export it and save it to file, or you can send the report direct to Excel. In this example, we're just going to close the report and look at the next one. The next report we'll view is the profit and loss. We'll preview it, and we'll accept the default criteria values. We'll then maximise the preview window. More information about how the reports are calculated and what the figures show is available in our Help Centre. One option to be aware of is that your management reports are drillable. So as you can see on the report, the figures appear in blue, meaning we can click on them. This opens a new tab within the report preview window and shows a breakdown of the value that you've clicked on. We can also drill down on these figures. Another new tab opens, and this time it gives us a list of the transactions that make up that value. Let's go back to the profit and loss tab, and that takes us back to the main profit and loss report. We can continue drilling down on any of the other figures on the report. In this instance, we'll just close the report. The last report we'll look at is the balance sheet. We get the same for output options, so we'll just preview the report. We get the same criteria value options as we got for the profit and loss report, and we'll just accept those defaults. We'll maximise the preview window, and once again, to help you understand the figures on the report, you find that the values are in blue, indicating that you can drill down on them. If you want more information about these or any of the other reports in Sage accounts, you'll find loads of information available in our Help Centre.